Okay, what do you have, Ayla?
Surprise Kinder Eggs. Here's Brandon, and here is Seth, and I'm going to open them right now. I'm watching open them. I'm ready for this bit. Wow, what do you think is going to be? This is a doggy surprise. Egg. Wow, it's so cool. It comes in its own little capsule. Wow, I'll open it later though. The chocolate smells good. Let me try some here. Yummy, it smells good. So save the chocolate for later. This one's a bunny. A bunny surprise. Wow. It cracks so easily. And then I'm going to open them now. So the chocolate tastes good. Remember, save it for later. Open two of my surprises. Oh, going to go.
Do you need help?
Yes, start it.
Okay.
Don't. Oh yeah.
I'm just getting started.
Wow. Whoa.
I'm just gonna get this one started too.
Wow. Wow, we got an alligator in this one. We got a flyer. And we got a puppy and a flyer.